Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Welcome to the Nigerian Nomad channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. So welcome to another episode today of this renovation. By the way, because of time, I have my mechanics. They're servicing my car at the same time. I need to change some tires, do an oil change, do whatever at the same There's never any time. But what I like about Nigeria is you can always get all these services done where you are at. So they are here helping me fix the car. And then we just rented a scaffolding, and this is essentially like a kind of like a makeshift ladder instead of using like a crane to get people up, a local way to climb, because we're going to be removing all this design in front of the building and the bricks as well. So we just rented this today and they just delivered it. Okay, and then this is all the rubbles from the kitchen, all of this stuff. We want to clear it out so we can start the tiling work in the bathroom. And that's them just dumping it out. Whew. And this gates, I finally took some time to clear this sand yesterday to just get it out of the way so we can open these gates. So yeah, those are the updates that's happening. Let me just take you guys inside. So that's the scaffold that's happening there. Also, we made a decision with the client to actually raise this fence up. So we're going to be adding 2 coaches of this to this fence and adding a barbed wire all the way around for a little bit more privacy, a little bit more security. The fence is plastered on this side, so that's good. All right, we move. So as you guys can see, all the rubbles is getting cleared out so far. Everything is looking good. You can visualize the space a little bit better once the walls are down. Come on in. And I don't know if I showed this in the last episode while we were breaking. So the BQ starts here. So we're giving the BQ a little bit more room. After working with the architect and engineer, we figured out, which one is load bearing, where, all that drama. So we figured out we can actually extend the BQ here. And we're going to block off this wall, and then this will be the pantry, and it will extend the size of the BQ, which is fantastic. So we got some blocks for the fencing here. All right. So we are at a neighbor's compound here. So we're having to do a little bit of talking and negotiating. So essentially, he has some turf and stamped concrete stamped concrete. So he was of the idea that we might need to help him repolish it later. But instead of doing that, we bought trampoline to kind of help cover this place. And then he also has some turf, some artificial grass there. So essentially why we're here is that we're trying to take down all these bricks. So this is what they call scaffolding in Nigeria. It's used a lot. So they're going to use that to take out the bricks on this side. But other than that, that's what's going on this side of the building. All right, let's go upstairs. So, check this out. All the rubbles are finally being cleared. So all of this is going to be fresh new tiles. I'm excited. Fresh new tiles, fresh new bathrooms. All that's going to be happening. And master bedroom. As you guys can see, we're putting a bit more work in the master bedroom. So the master bedroom wall is all clear. So I'm having a little bit of a change of mind in design. So I was telling my project lead that she should get used to changes throughout the project. And this is one of those changes. So for security reasons, we decided instead of putting like a sliding window, like a sliding glass door on the balcony, that we should just cast this and put this door here for security, and that way the balcony spaces. By the way, for you guys that don't remember we were extending this balcony. Now you guys can get a better feel for the space. Let me show you guys. So now the balcony ended here before, but now we have all this room for the balcony, which is great. So we contacted a glass person. So we're gonna get an extension of a glass, and then actually we're replacing this with a tinted glass for a little bit more privacy, and then it's gonna extend here. They're gonna connect it. But I'm having a change of mind that, you know what? Now that we are raising the fence a little bit and have those electric barbed wire around, so since that change is now implemented, I'm like, well, then I don't have to worry so much about this being like a solid door. So I'm now changing my mind back again to like a sliding glass door here, which I think looks more elegant with a nice curtain. And if you are kind of like, your kids are out on the balcony or you're hanging out, so you can be inside and see outside. So I just think it also brings in a lot more natural light, and it just would look more elegant. So that's what we're doing. So guess what? I think this is gonna come down again. And then we're gonna put a nice glass door, and I just think it would look much better. So anyways, and then when these guys come and install, everything would just look good. So anyways, guys, comment underneath this video. I want to hear your opinion. What would you do? Door, window, or a sliding glass door? So yeah, comment underneath this video, which one would you go for? And remember guys, we're still selling plots of land in our community. It's called The Green Paradise. Check out thegreenparadise.com, and we have our number below. So if you're interested in purchasing land, we still have it for roughly $6,000 per plot. If you want to know the Naira equivalent, just multiply it to the Naira rate. Yeah, that's where we're still selling it. It's going to be open to the end of March, and then we're going to close down sales for good. And then in the future, we're actually bringing on investments. So investors. So if you'd like to be a business partner and invest in this project, we would also love to have you join. Call the number, email us, and then we'll go from there. And oh, hold on one guys. I'm gonna let him do that. All right guys, and then lastly guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.